We thought at the time that being employee-owned would be a good thing. We just figured that each worker had a stake in how well it performed. We just thought that we could trust a company that had its workers intrinsically connected to the way the company is run.
Just got a good feeling at the very beginning, and then I know when talking to my husband too, we both had that sense that also if people owned and had shares, I think then you're going to do a good job. Well, we felt that they would do a good job because they own the company and they want to make sure that we are going to carry on telling our friends what a good job that you did.
Well, locally owned, I think some of the companies that we had spoken to before had owners who weren't Canadian. Profits were going south of the border. It's a philosophy my wife and I always try to buy local. Being a Canadian company and with Canadian materials was important to us.